moving some stuff around so that I have a place for my books, which really, well, my decks, 2 maybe, but actually like my snacks, because I like to lay in bed and eat. So, and then I still need to redo my corner. And I have to like put away all my decks, and then there's a whole bunch of decks in the kitchen. Well, these are books that are also. Can I show you my favorite one? Hold on, let me put these down safely. I don't want to break these glasses. These are good ones. I don't have room, bitch. I have my next to right there, just in case. You know what I mean? It's cool. It's like different depictions of Jesus throughout. You know, it's really, 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 really cool. It gave me life. Just honestly, really, it just breathes life into me. And so what I'm doing right now is okay. But it's cute, right? And then the cool part about this is that I could change the way it goes, and we could also change the color. And then I have to wash this rug, but while I wash it, I'm gonna just replace it with the other one that I have. I have 2 of the same ones, so that when they're alternating, it's alternating. Yeah. So. Oh, what? And then I have to redo it, But the point of that was I was going to show you, see, because I have all of these other ones still. All of these tarot decks back here. These are the ones I don't use as much, but look at how cute. Look at what I did. It looks like little fireworks, but they're flowers in Coke bottles. Hey, Joel. I feel like I'm gonna like get my hair caught on this. It's so low. So, my daughter made this and put this here, and I'm scared to move it. I would not have chosen to put it there, but she did, and I'm scared of her, so. Those glasses were bulky, these ones are better. Oh shit, because I'm hot. I'm gonna put this on, but oh wait, not this one, bitch. It doesn't match. Hold on. Don't leave it. Bitch. You gotta take glasses off, you know what I mean? Hold on, honey. I don't even know what song is next. Little box, little flower. It was a little flower box. I'm sorry. Oh. There's a little parking spot. They pay paradise and put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging. So it's like church. But the kind where you actually enjoy yourself, because you just love yourself. Yeah, it's disgusting, so I'm done. It's 8:44. My thing is 80% charge. Whoa, that's weird, bitch. It says Friday, June 18th, 8:44, and it's 80% charge, bitch. Woo! That's annoying, bitch. Okay. Okay. I'm annoyed. I need to redo my skincare because that was annoying and stressful. I was vacuuming those up. What's up? Okay, tell him to come see me, please. My adult time is over. I'm gonna have to have children in here so that they'll leave the older children alone, so that the older children can have time to watch what they want and stuff and chill. So I'm gonna have to fucking put Bluey on my fucking computer in here. My son made this. My oldest son, Malachi, made this on his own too. It was fucking cool. He said he was seeing the number, what was it, 67 or 76? But he put, it says spiritual awakening with 76 and 67 in the middle. Spiritual awakening. And he made it for me as an anklet. Dude! Is that not cool? And then they made me one that says Mom. Hey, do you need me to put on Bluey in here? Hey. Hey, I can put on Bluey in here. Are you? Yeah. Malachi's gonna do it.